I'm very happy to introduce our latest series of videos. We filmed these in an IATF 16949 certified organisation, a Tier 1 supplier involved in the remanufacturing of used diesel particulate filters. With an ever-increasing focus on the environment and sustainability, remanufacturing in the automotive sector is continuing to increase. And for these remanufactured diesel particulate filters, it's essential that they are fully compliant with the stringent emissions legislation. The videos that you're going to see will show extracts of simulated IATF 16949 audits focused on the organisation's remanufacturing processes. So watch the videos and see if the auditor is undertaking the audits effectively. As always, we really welcome and value any feedback and comments, so please feel free to drop any comments under the videos.
Right, so I see from your process flow and control plan that for some customers you have to shotblast the product. I know it's going to be very difficult to interrupt the operators here. So maybe can you just give me an overview? You've shown me the work instruction related to shotblasting. Can you just give me an overview of some of the controls that you've got within this process?
Yeah, of course. So the non-shot blasted unit will go inside, and then we will have 2 cycles of shot blasting inside the shot blaster itself. And then when the unit is coming out, we will look at the external aspect, and according to the specification, if it's compliant, then this unit will be packed. And if not compliant, then this unit will be shot blasted again.
And how about the acceptance standard that you have to meet?
Yeah, it's visual. So we've done some MSA as well regarding the...
some attribute MSA, okay.
Absolutely. So we've done that to be sure that any little defect would be spotted and detected and then put on side.
Okay, so we'll have a look at that MSA study in a few minutes, and I can see the acceptance standards within within here. I understand that this is the only machine that you have for shot blasting.
This is quite a it's a critical part of the process. So we need to ensure that we have every spare part available, or we can get them quite quickly. According to the quantity we can of unit already shot blasted we can have on site. So it means how we can balance this and always deliver the customer on how it was planned.
Yeah, and I have maintenance on the schedule next.
Yeah.
So I'm going to be talking to them about the spare part management
and preventive
and also contingency plan as well. So we will follow that through. So the final thing I want to see in your process then is after the shot blasting and the inspection, the kitting and the packaging. Can we move on to have a look at that?
Of course we can, Let's go.
We'll go now.
Let's go.
In this audit, the auditor is auditing the process of shot blasting. It is always a difficult balance for the auditor whether it is safe and practical to disturb the operator to ask audit questions, or to make the decision whether to audit other relevant personnel. The preference is in audit planning to make sure the supervision in the area are aware of the audit and can provide cover to allow questions to be asked of the operator. But in some situations, this may not be possible. The auditor, using the control plan and the work instructions, challenged the auditee on the acceptance criteria for the shot blasting process, which led to an audit trail on attribute measurement system analysis to verify the effectiveness of the inspection process. The auditor had identified in their audit planning that the shot blast machine was a potential bottleneck in the process, as there was only one machine. This gives a good opportunity to follow an audit trail to the contingency plan and also to the maintenance process to look at the spare part management for the machine. The auditor maybe should have been more focused on the process controls in the process. For example, the monitoring of the shot quality, the pressures and the time spent within the process. The comment was also made that the product can be returned to the process if the surface finished after the shot blasting is not acceptable. This could link to the IATF requirement 8.7.1.4, control of rework product. So let's summarize. Wherever possible during audit planning, an auditor should try to ensure that they will have the opportunity to talk to operators that are performing the work, rather than interview other personnel, for example, the team leaders or the supervisors. Yeah? In the audit planning, auditors should also try to identify any potential risks in the manufacturing process that could affect the organization's capability to ship product to meet customer demand. An example could be where there is only one machine to perform a manufacturing operation. This gives a great opportunity to refer to the contingency plan and follow audit trails to maintenance to verify the maintenance schedules and the spare part management for such equipment.